We went to Turkey on a 5-day exchange trip. We flew over into Istanbul, but then we travelled down to Kütahya.
We stayed in another school for a few days. We kind of went on a few trips with the students and we participated in some of their lessons.
And we shared our experiences about mental health and well-being, about exams.
We all had an individual host family. I had a really nice time with the family. They took me out to traditional places. They introduced me to the language. They made amazing food in their house for me to try and really introduced me to the traditional culture.
You do get a real detailed view of what it's like to be within a family.
Dyma bod o'n bwysig iawn dysgu am sut mae diwylliannau gwahanol yn gweithio, dysgu am ieithoedd gwahanol, rhoi'r parch tuag at hyn. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni yng Nghymru yn deall sut mae'n teimlo os does yna rhywun ddim yn deall a ddim yn parchu hynna. So dwi'n meddwl i ni, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n bwysig iawn mynd a dangos bod ni yn deall efo gwledydd eraill.
What you realise actually is Wales is highly regarded abroad. When you arrive and you promote the Welsh language, the Welsh culture, there's such an interest, especially the Welsh language.
O'n i yna wedi dysgu dim bach o Twrci a o'n nhw'n dysgu dim bach o Cymraeg hefyd. Nhw ddim yn gwybod llwyth amdan Cymru. Nhw ddim yn hyd yn oed yn gwybod bod fel am y iaith ni a fel nhw just yn gwybod Gareth Bale really. Dyna fo. Felly ni'n gwneud fel presentation ar popeth sydd yn Cymru, fel Santes Dwynwen a fel gyd o bwyd ni.
What I got from the experience was I feel more confident talking to people now.
I got to understand their culture, their school environment and see how different it was to ours.
You're able to build quite a respect for a culture by experiencing it firsthand.
Oedd o'n just neis I rhannu popeth o Cymru efo nhw.
My favourite part of the trip was definitely visiting places that were more about their culture. There was a lot of singing and dancing, playing instruments. We did like this painting called Ebru and we all did that together, so that was really cool.
Dydy dysgu ddim just yn y dosbarth, mae dysgu just gymaint o fwy na hynna. A dyma bod o'n bwysig iawn i'r disgyblion cael y profiad yna, ac wrth gwrs fel athrawon, I ni rhoi'r cyfle yna iddyn nhw.
I think that's why it's so important, more than ever, in a really diverse but quite conflicted world, that we get students away from the screen and out into the real world where they can experience personal contact with people from different cultures and make their own judgments. And that's why it's so important when you're looking at diversity, inclusion, that international opportunities are grabbed by any school because it gives all that to their students and their learners.
Zoom's fantastic for extending the exchange before, after, and keeping that relationship going, but you're not going to get that same experience as when you're in that exchange abroad.
I think it's important for me to see what's happening in education in other countries and the pressures on youngsters in other countries. So I think you can learn from different countries and different education systems in terms of what you can bring back to your own school.
I'm the person who applied for and, luckily enough, got the TITE funding for the International Exchange Programme. The individual support that TITE gave was brilliant. If you had a question or a problem with the application process, you could either call, you could email, I had a Teams meeting. Having those conversations from the outset when you're applying, it just gives you the reassurance that you're on the right track. And it also gives you the structure, the building blocks, as it were, to put your application together. We had to get a new school, which was Turkey, which is a fantastic experience, and a school we've never had any kind of international exchange with before. And again, when we're doing that process, TITE, step by step, we're there to support us. And you realise they want you to be successful. TITE is brilliant because it opens the eyes to all learners about the possibilities beyond their initial environment. And that has a huge impact on people from disadvantaged backgrounds to realise why should their opportunity be limited.
I think the Welsh Government have done a great job here because when the European funding went, there was a huge worry that exchanges wouldn't be able to, projects like this wouldn't be able to be going on. TITE has now meant that we can continue with our international links. And for those less disadvantaged students, to give them the opportunity, it's absolutely fantastic.
We're meant to prepare students for the life after school. We're meant to prepare students for the world. You can't really do that if you don't actually go out and let them go out to the world to experience it. The classroom is not the same as actually experience it and doing it.
Mi fyswn ni yn bendant yn awgrymu unrhyw un sydd yn meddwl
llenwi'r ffurflau mewn I ymgeisio I fynd â daith, so ni bendant yn rhywyddo fo. Dwi'm yn gwybod pam sy'ch chi ddim yn mynd amdani.
I mean, some youngsters would never get this opportunity normally. This comes through onto your school desk, seize it and go with it because the difference it makes to youngsters is immense.
So any school that's in doubt about doing this was asked this question, if it was my son and daughter, would I want them to go on it?
Dwi'n amgyrfu bod os ti'n cael y siawnt I mynd, mae'n mor amser anhygoel.
Ewch amdani!